Guys, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Right. Good morning. Good morning, Bharati. Check it, guys. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Right. Right, sir. What we completed there in the last session now. What exactly the content we completed there in the last class, if you observe this. I think so. We are discussing about literals. That means number systems part here we are discussing, in that number systems, what are the various number systems are available in Java? Overall, 4 types of number systems are available. Binary number systems, octal number systems. Next one is like what now? Decimal number systems and hexadecimal number system is also be existed here. These are overall number systems here what we are having. That's okay, fine. Then after that, after completion of this particular part, already we started binary number system. How this binary number system is existed here? In binary number systems, numbers will be represented in the form of zeros and ones only, and that number must be prefixed with 0. The number must be prefixed with like what? No, 0. We can understand it. The number must be prefixed with 0. 0B or 0 capital B. Small 0B or 0 capital B. That's okay, fine. Examples I have taken. Next one is octal number system. Octal number system. What about these octal number systems, guys? Then how we are able to get these octal number systems now? We can observe this clearly. In octal number system, in octal number system, that numbers will be represented. Numbers will be provided with one minute. In octal number system, input alphabet would be, then what is that input alphabet, sir? 0, comma 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 is not going to be included, guys. 8 is not going to be included. You can understand clearly. 8 is not going to be included. People are late. People are coming to the late classes now. I started class exactly by 11 o'clock today, but people are not coming to the class exactly by time. What's the meaning of it? Right, sir. Every day people are pointing my punctuality. But today I'm asking to you, why you are coming to the late? Tomorrow onwards, every minute 1,000 rupees fine if they are coming late. Especially the people, those who asked to me yesterday, why you are late every day like this? Now today I'm asking to you, Mamta ma'am, why you are late today? Right. Pay 1,000 rupees to me, late fee. Fine. Right, sir. Right, sir. Input alphabet would be, yes, Satyakumar, you are professional here. I know. Yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, sir. Right. Now this is alphabet, input alphabet, but prefix value should be, don't worry, nothing I completed, just now I started octal number system. Just we can continue that. That means at 11 o'clock I started here, but concept is going on now only. Yeah, nothing you lost. 2 minutes, nothing I discussed here. That's it. Prefix value would be like what now? Prefix value would be 0 only 0. Guys, now observe this clearly, not wo, it's a 0 only, not wo, it is 0. Don't misunderstand. Why? Because, sir, octal number system, it should be started with wo. No, octal number system, even though, but the prefix value would be like what? No, 0. Then only this number would be like what? No, octal number system. Then only that one is like what? No, octal number system. Right, so this is one point. Okay. Next one, sir. Who is that another girl, guys? And yesterday she asked to me, why you are coming late every day? Another one. I think she's not coming yet. Yes, Mamta, okay. And other one. I want to take revenge today. Who is that another one? Yes, Mamta, along with you. Then one more person. She asked to me. Who is that? I didn't identify that name. Okay. Right, sir. Yeah, revenge. Right, sir. Yeah, that other person is not coming still. The time is 11:06. Still she is not coming. Right, guys. Now prefix value is like what now? 0. Then examples I want to show. Now try to understand it. Tester.java. Right, in tester.java, not here. And I will take some other like from D drive and Java 11. Now here. I'm going to provide this tester.java. Right, sir. Now here I will provide like what now? Int a is equal to 10, guys. Now tell me, I'm asking to you, what is this number system? This no, which type of which number it is? No, now tell me all of you. Is it a decimal number or octal number or binary number? What it is now? What it is now? It's a decimal number only. It's not like any other one. It's a decimal number only. It is decimal number only, guys. Observe this clearly. Now let me compare and execute this. Java C space tester.java compiled successfully. Java space tester. Now here we are able to get like what's the value? No, 10. 10 is a value here we are able to get. Right. The 10 value here we provided. We can understand now. Next one is after that, after completion of this. Next one is after that. Apart from this, I want to make this number as an octal number. If you want to make this number as an octal number, we have to use 0 prefix. I provided 0 as a prefix now. If you provide 0 prefix, then it is like what now? Octal number. If it is octal number, now tell me, guys, what is that conversion? Octal to decimal conversion? Can you tell me? What is that octal to decimal conversion? 0 star 8 power 0 plus 1 star 8 power 1. Tell me, guys, what is the value here now? Now tell me, we have to calculate 0 star anything 0. That's okay, fine. Plus 1 star 8 power 1. 1 star 8 power 1 is what now? 8. So what is the value here? We are able to get decimal value 8. 8 is the decimal value here we are able to get. Now let's observe this clearly. If you run this program here, we are able to get Java C space tester.java compiled successfully. Java space test. Output value would be 8. 8 is an output value here we are getting. Right now, this is about like what now? Value. 8 is the value here we are getting. Observe carefully. Next one is after completion of this particular point. This is an example. Here I am saying to you, like this number of examples here I want to provide you. Now try to understand it. You have to give answers for it. Some valid case and invalid case I'm going to provide. You have to answer for my questions. Right, sir. Yeah, Sharavan, then whenever we are providing, in the case of this Java, whenever we are providing leading zero, that should be automatically octal number system. No, it is not decimal number system. But of course, in mathematics, left side zeros are not having any priority or no value. But in the case of computer programming languages, in the case of Java, leading zero is representing it's an octal number. That's it. That is fixed. That was defined in this way only in the programming languages now. But in mathematics, it may be valid. But in the case of Java and other programming languages, no, in general, in Java, leading zero is indicating that it is an octal number. That's it. In the decimal number, we are not going to have leading zeros now. That's it. Now let's observe this clearly. Int A is equal to 10, int B is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Int C is equal to, right sir, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And int D is equal to 0, 5, 6, 7, 8, semicolon. Tell me guys. Then what about this first one? Int A is equal to 10, sir. What is this exactly? What's the meaning of this int A is equal to 10? That means it is a decimal number. It is not an octal number. It is decimal number. It is not octal number. Right, sir. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is valid. It is valid. It is valid, yes. Now observe this clearly. Int C is equal to, right, sir. Now tell me, what is this? Valid or invalid? Int C is equal to. Is it valid or invalid? Valid or invalid? It's invalid. It's invalid. Why it is invalid? Why it is invalid, guys? Now tell me, all of you now tell me, what is the prefix value I have given? Is that 0 or O? Is that prefix value is what I provided, 0 or O? Is that prefix value is what, 0 or O? O we provided here, but 0 should be required. We need 0 as a prefix value, but here we provided O. 0 is required, but I provided O. That's why it is invalid. Next one is, then after that, into D is equal to 0, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then what is this? Now it is valid or invalid? Invalid. Why it is invalid, sir? Tell me, what is the reason for it? Why it is invalid? Why it is invalid in the sense, here the point is like what I'm telling to you. Here the point is 8 we included, but in the this octal number systems, the numbers are going to be provided like what, no, 0 to 7 only. Right. This is what exactly the meaning of like what, no? This is the meaning of like octal number system that we can understand now. Yes, right, Satya Kumar, right, you are right. Fine. Alright, so now this is one point here we can understand octal number system. The next one is like what now? What next one here after completion of this? Decimal number system here. I want to provide decimal number system. What is this decimal number system now? I think right from our childhood we are using this. Right from our schooling onwards we are using this. We are not going to discuss anything much about it, decimal number system. But anyway, here we can understand it clearly. Decimal number system is what? So input alphabet. What is this input alphabet, guys? Now tell me now. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Input alphabet is up to 9. Then any prefix value is required. Already we have seen decimal values now. Any prefix value is required, guys? Now tell me. No prefix value is required. No value. No prefix. Right. No prefix is required. After that, after completion of this, examples are also not required, sir. Just we can leave it. Normally, whatever the values can be provided, that they're by default like what now? Like a decimal number system only. Not required to discuss anything about it. Already we are aware about it. Decimal number systems. Right, now let's move on to the hexadecimal number system, guys. What about this hexadecimal number system? Right, sir. Right, so now what about this alphabet, guys? Input alphabet would be like what now? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, comma, A, B, C, D, E. Am I right? 1 to 9. F is also be included or not? F is also be included or not? Is it E or F? F. F is also be included. Right, that's okay, good. Then what next one here? After that, after completion of this particular one, next one would be like what I'm telling to you after completion of this. I want to show an example here. How we are going to represent this. And before that, prefix value. To represent this hexadecimal number, what would be the prefix value? Either 0 small x or 0 capital X that we are able to provide. Either 0 small x or 0 capital X that we are able to provide. Either 0 small x or 0 capital X. Right. Let's understand this clearly. I want to go for some examples. First of all, let me show a programming part for that. Come on, guys. Now observe this clearly. All of you know. This is octal number. Now I want to provide like a hexadecimal number. It's okay. Now here the point is into A is equal to 10. As usual, I'm telling to you. Now tell me, into A is equal to 10 in the sense, what is that value, guys? Now tell me, all of you know. Which type of data it is? Now tell me. Is it, what is the type of the data? Is that primitive data? That means what I'm telling here, decimal value or hexadecimal value? Into A is equal to 10, I provided here. It's a decimal value only. It's not like hexadecimal value. 10 only here, output here we are getting. 10 only the data here we are getting. Now tell me, I want to make it as an hexadecimal number. I want to make it is an hexadecimal number. Okay. My requirement is I want to make it is an hexadecimal number. Then how? Tell me, guys. Then I want to make it is an hexadecimal number. Then how it is possible? Just we have to provide either 0 small x or 0 capital X. 0 small x here we provide it. Now let me compile and execute this. Now before that, now tell me what is the decimal equivalent for this? What is the decimal equivalent? 0 star 16 power 0 plus 1 star 16 power 1. 0 star 16 power 0 plus 1 star 16 power 1. Tell me, guys, what is the value? Come on, what is the value now? So here we are able to get the values like what now? 16. 16 is a value here we are getting. All of you observe this clearly. 16 is a value here we are getting. Overall, we are getting like what now? 16. 16 is a value here we are getting. Okay. So next one is after completion of this particular thing, after understanding this particular one, what next one here we have to do after understanding this? After understanding this, we have to observe carefully. This is 16 is the value here we are getting. Just we can compare and execute this. We are able to get the required output. Here now, Java C space test.java. Java C space test.java compiled successfully. Now here, Java space test. We are able to get output is like what? 16. 16 is an output here we are getting. That's okay, good. Well and good. Right, sir. That's fine. This is an example. Now here, I'll go for some other examples. Here we can identify now what are the prefix values here we are able to get. That means what are the various examples here I'm able to specify now. Into A is equal to 0 small x. Right, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Into B is equal to 0 capital X. Right, sir. Next one. Into C is equal to 0 small x. 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E. Into D is equal to 0 capital X. Right, sir. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Like this. Now understand it clearly. Right, sir. What about this one? This is valid. Now this will also be valid. What about this, sir? Now this will also be valid. Last one is invalid. Why it is invalid, sir? Why it is invalid? Why it is invalid? The reason is, why it is invalid? The reason is G is included. But actually in hexadecimal number representation, up to F only the elements are available. Up to F only we are getting that. But G is invalid. G is not going to be included. Right. This is completed now. Next one is after completion of this, what next one here I'm telling to you. Now I'm giving clarity on this. One more point I'm telling to you. So vice versa is not required, sir. Just one point I'm telling you. First of all, understand this point. Then after that, we'll go for it. We don't have any predefined functions in Java to convert from decimal to other. Just only we are having predefined. We are having concept like what no other number systems to decimal only. Here we are getting there. If you want to go for the decimal to some other number systems, no, just we can go for mathematics. There some things are available, but in Java there is no predefined functionality. Now, anyway, I'm telling one more thing. Now try to understand it. In a Java application, if we provide any number in any number system, in Java applications, if we provide any number in any number system, right, sir. In Java applications, if we provide any number in any number system, then compiler and JVM, compiler especially, compiler will recognize the provided number and its number systems on the basis of prefix value, comma, compiler will convert the provided number from the provided number system to provided number system to provided number system to decimal number system, and that number will be processed, as like decimal number only. That number will be processed as decimal number only. That's in Java applications. If you provide any number in any number system, then compiler will recognize the provided number and its number system on the basis of prefix value. Compiler will convert the provided number from the provided number system to decimal number system, and that number will be processed as like decimal number only. The number will be converted as like what? No, decimal number only. That's it. That's it. This is the point here we have to understand clearly. Decimal number system. Overall number systems here we are getting the total point now. Right, guys. Now I want to ask some questions to all of you guys. Now try to answer for my questions. I want to ask some questions to all of you guys. Will you give answers for my questions? Will you give answers for my questions? Just I'm going to ask some questions to you. Right. My question will be very simple. I will give number system name. I will give number system name. I will give number system name. Then we have to give input alphabet. If I give number system name, then we have to give input alphabet name. Yes, clear? Can I? Right. Now tell me, guys, input alphabet name are required. Now tell me, all of you know, binary number system. Binary number system. Zeros and ones. Binary number system, zeros and ones. That's good. Next one is after completion of this octal number system. Octal number system. Octal number system. Octal number system. 0 to 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alphabet I'm asking there. I'm not asking about any example. Just I'm going to give number system. Just we have to say input alphabet. What exactly that input alphabet that we have to provide. Right, sir. Decimal number system. Decimal number system. Right, sir. 0 to 9. Hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system. Right, sir. 0 to 9 and A to F. Right, sir. That's okay. Fine. Now this is completed. Now this time, what I will specify to I'll give number system, but we have to give prefix values. I will give number system, but you have to give prefix values, guys. Will you do that? I'll give number system, but you have to give prefix value. Right? Sure? Yeah, now tell me. Binary number system. Binary number systems. Binary number systems. Prefix values I'm asking now. Right. Zeros, that means zero small b or zero capital B. Octal number system. Octal number system, input alphabet. Not input alphabet, prefix value. Octal number system, prefix value. 0. Octal number system, prefix value 0. Hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system. 0 small x or 0 capital X. I'm not asking about input alphabet, just I'm asking about prefix values, right? Hexadecimal number system, 0 small x or 0 capital X. Decimal number system. Decimal number system. Decimal number system. Right, sir. No prefix value. For decimal number systems, no prefix value. Okay. Right, sir. Then after that, right, sir. Now just okay, fine. These are the various points can be understood. This number system is okay, fine. After this number system, then what next one can we have to understand, guys? Now tell me, no. The next topic in identify. That means in the tokens would be the next part in the tokens would be like what? No. Next one, keywords and reserved words. Keywords and reserved words. Keywords and reserved words. What is keyword and what is reserved words? What exactly keyword and what exactly reserved words? Right, sir. What is keyword and what is reserved words? Right, sir. Now I'll give some clarity. Now try to understand it. No, both are predefined only. Both are predefined only. Keyword and reserved words. Both are predefined only. But what exactly the difference between keyword and reserved words? I'll take an example. Through the time I can give some answers. Try to understand it clearly. For example, already for loop, guys. For already for loop. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, wait. Already for loop. How this for loop is existed now? For Here we are going to provide the syntax like right for I want to take int I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. Now inside this a set of intersections here we have to provide. Right, sir. For loop here we provided for. Then inside this we are going to provide int I is equal to 0, I less than 10. Then what next one here? No, I plus plus. Then inside this we have to provide a set of intersections. Okay, fine. Next one is after that. How this flow of execution is going on here? How this flow of execution is coming there? When JVM is coming to this loop, when JVM is coming to this loop, what is the functionality of that? Means what is the what JVM will do? No, what is the flow of execution for JVM here? First, JVM will come to the intersection 1. First, JVM will come to the that means expression 1. This is declaration and initialization of the loop variable. Okay, it will come to the expression 1. Next one, when it comes to the expression 1, after completion of this expression 1, flow of execution is coming to expression 2. Flow of execution is coming to expression 2. Now this is conditional expression. If the result of the conditional expression is true, if the result of the conditional expression is true, then body will be executed. Body will be executed. When body is executed, flow of execution is coming to expression 3. Flow of execution is coming to expression 3. When expression 3 is executed, when expression 3 is executed, flow of execution is coming to expression 2. Again, flow of execution is coming to expression 2. Again, it's a conditional expression. It may provide true or false value. If it provides true value, automatically body will be executed. After that, again expression 3 will be executed. Then after that, expression 2. Again true or false value. If it is true, again body, again expression 3. Same thing is going to be repeated. But for example, if expression 2 returns false value, if expression 2 returns false value, then immediately what happened there? Then it will directly coming to the outside of the for loop. Directly it will come to the outside of the loop. Directly it comes to the outside of the loop. Everybody understand this now? Guys, now I'm asking this question to you. Now try to answer for it. I'm asking this question to you. Now try to answer for it. Here, what is my question? No, my question would be, when JVM comes to this particular intersection, when JVM is coming to this intersection, how JVM knows about it? JVM has to execute the total for loop in this fashion only. How JVM knows about it, and JVM has to come for expression 1 first, then after that expression 2, then after that set of might be, then after that like what now, body, then after that expression 3, like all these things, how JVM knows about it? How JVM knows about it? How it is possible for JVM? Right, sir, exactly. Exactly here. How it is possible for JVM in the sense exactly here. For for. Right, sir. Here we have a predefined word that is what no for. That for has some internal functionality. For has some internal functionality. That internal functionality is giving directions to the JVM to execute expression 1 first, then after that expression 2, then body, the next one, expression 3, and again expression 2. That the total flow of execution will be done by a predefined word which has some internal functionality. The predefined word is like what no keyword. So anyway, the point what I'm telling to you, keyword is a predefined word. Keyword is a predefined word. Keyword is a predefined word. It has both word recognition and internal functionality. Word recognition and internal functionality. Right, sir. Keyword is a predefined word. Keyword is a predefined word. It has both word recognition and internal functionality. That's it. Now this is the meaning of like what no keyword. Right, sir. What are the various keywords are available? I'll explain to you clearly. Number of keywords are available in Java. I'm able to give the list of keywords also. But what is this reserved word actually? Let me check out this one also. Reserved word. What is this reserved word? It is a predefined word. It's a predefined word. Has only it's a predefined word. Okay. It has only word recognition. It has only word recognition. It is not having internal functionality. It is not having internal functionality. Right, sir. It has only word recognition. It is not having internal functionality. Everything here we have to understand. Okay. This is one punch. It has only word recognition and it is not having internal functionality. Okay, fine. This is completed. Next one is what? Then after that, after completion of this particular one, what next one can know? What are the various result words are available in Java? Examples for result words I'm telling to you. Examples for result words, constant and go to. Just that names are defined, but they are not having functionality. Once they are not having functionality, then there is no chance. Once they are not having functionality, then there is no chance to use them. If they are having functionality, then only we can use them. If functionality is not available, then there is no chance to use them. Understand it clearly, what I'm telling you. All right, sir. Then after that, what next one here? What next one here? After that, what are the various keywords are available in Java? What exactly the various keywords are available in Java? If you observe these keywords, number of keywords are available. I'm able to give you the number of keywords. No, try to understand it clearly. Data types and return types. If you observe this category, number of data types and keywords are available. That means return types are available. Say for example, byte, short, int, long, float, double, boolean, character, void, and so on. If anything is remaining, we can observe this. We can observe this. Okay. Next one is, second one is access modifiers. What are the various access modifiers here we are having here? What are the various access modifiers we are having here? The access modifiers would be access modifiers would be access modifiers would be like what now? Static, final, abstract. Then what next one, sir? Static, final, abstract. Then what next one here? Native, volatile. Right, sir. Transient, synchronized, strict FP, and so on. If anything is remaining, and apart from this, like we are able to use public, protected, private. We can, these are also be like access modifiers. We can understand it clearly now. Right, sir. Then after that, what next one? Get the third one. After this access modifiers, what we are doing there? Now flow controllers are existed here. What are the various flow controllers now? What are the various flow controllers? We can understand these flow controllers like if, else, switch. Next one is after this, the switch, inside the switch case. Then after that, here we are able to have break, of course. Break is also existed. Then once again, I will cover that. Right, sir. Then what next one? If else switch case. The next one is like what now? After completion of this, for, while, do, break, continue, return. Then after that, flow controller. Flow controllers. What next one, sir? Then after that. Then apart from this, right, these are about like flow controllers. Next one is like what now? Class or object related keywords. Class or object related keywords. What about this class or object related keywords? No, what we can identify there? We can understand it. Say for example, class keywords extends, class extends. Then after this, Right, sir. Then after that, interface enum implements. Then apart from this, interface enum and implements. Next one is then after completion of this implements, then what next one get? Then new keyword package is also be come under that and import this keyword, super keyword, and so on. If anything is remaining here. Next one is exception handling related things. In exception handling also we are having number of keywords. What are the various keywords are existed here? Exception handling. Okay, fine. What are the various exception handling things? No, throw, roast, try, catch, finally. Okay, right, sir. Now these are the various keywords which are available in Java. We can understand it now. Max keywords I covered, sir. We can understand it now. If any one or two are remaining there in the future, we are going to cover them. Right, sir. Try, catch, finally. Now, these are also be like what? No, exception handling related things. Understand it clearly. The next one is then apart from this, what next one here now? Right, sir. Then apart from this, then what next one here? Tell me guys, anything else now? And moreover, I'm telling there, all these things are going to be covered later on in our throughout Java applications. All the things are going to be covered automatically throughout our Java applications. Throughout Java applications. All the things are going to be covered throughout our Java applications, not required to have any separate discussion here immediately. Isn't it now? Okay, fine. Then after that, after completion of this, then what next one can? Tell me guys, what about this operators part? Next part would be like operators. What exactly the meaning of operators? Right, sir. Observe this clearly. Operators. What is this operator actually? What is the meaning of operator, guys? Can you tell me now? Guys, I'm asking to you only. What is an operator? Any idea? No response, guys. Operators will operate on Java, operate on data. That's good, Mamata ma'am. Right. Performs actions. Sravanan. Operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. Yes, Sathak, right. Good. Right, sir. Good. The point is operator. What is this operator actually? Operator is a symbol. Operator is a symbol. Operator is a symbol. It will perform a particular action. It will perform a particular action. It will perform a particular action over the provided operands. Over the provided operands. Operands in the sense maybe variables or any other. Over the provided operands. That's it. But perform a particular operation over the provided operands. This is the meaning of like what no operator. But what are the various operators are available, guys? Can you tell me? What are the various operators are available? Can you tell me no? Yes, sir. Come on, just I'm asking to you. I want to get input from you. Okay. So like some people are giving so many and arithmetic operators, bitwise operators, compound operators, relational operators. Good, good, good. All these are operators only. That's fine. Right, sir. Good, guys. Now so many operators are available. Okay, fine. So anyway, guys, then I'll discuss about these points on tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow we'll go for it. Yeah, Babita ma'am, advanced Java will start once again. The second core Java batches I may not start. Again, advanced Java batches I will start. Advanced Java batches I will start. Advanced Java and Hibernate and all again will come there. Yeah, if it is possible, if you want to attend Advanced Java, you can attend there. Or else, maybe Advanced Java batches I will start once again. For this year also, package people are available for them. I want to start Advanced Java. Yeah, don't worry for it. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. We'll meet on tomorrow, and tomorrow we'll see the remaining content. Thank you.